Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a money transfer through Zelle with Chase Bank. Stay until the end to make sure you do it correctly. Alright, once we've logged into the Chase app, we'll see this menu. At the bottom, next to Accounts, you'll find the Pay and Transfer option, and we'll tap that button. Once inside, several options will appear. We need to select Zelle Activity. After selecting that, a list of options will drop down, and the one we're interested in is Zelle. Tap on Zelle, and this will display your recent activity. By default, you'll see transactions under Money Received, but what we're interested in is money sent since we're the ones who sent the money. So, at the top where it says Money Received, tap on Money Sent, and you'll see all the money transfers you've made from your account. Now, pay attention to one important detail. If it says completed under the transfer, you can no longer cancel it because it has already been received by the other person. However, if it says pending acceptance, like the first transaction you see here, then it can still be canceled. Tap on the transfer, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a blue button that says Cancel Payment. Tap that, and it will ask you to confirm if you want to cancel the payment. Once you confirm, the transfer will be successfully canceled through Chase Bank.